Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a topic that's going to save you a ton of time and make managing your utilities a total breeze. Want to save time and avoid the hassle of forgotten due dates? Managing your water bill online in Lexington doesn't have to be a headache. We're going to get you set up seamlessly and securely, joining countless others who have completely mastered digital payments. Today, we're looking at the exact steps to navigate these payment portals quickly, securely, and efficiently. Here is our roadmap for today. We'll start with the two Lexingtons, then look at Kentucky's water and sewer system, followed by Massachusetts' town billing portals. After that, we'll cover payment methods and fees, avoiding common billing issues, and finally, conclusion and official resources. Let's get right into it. First up, Section 1, the two Lexingtons. Okay, so before we do literally anything else, we have to sidestep a major geographical trap. Believe it or not, there are two major Lexingtons out there, and they have completely different utility systems. Lexington, Kentucky uses a split system with private and public utilities, whereas Lexington, Massachusetts has a unified municipal system. Imagine accidentally paying the wrong state's water department. Yeah, no thanks. So identifying your exact jurisdiction first is absolutely crucial. Logging into the wrong portal isn't just going to delay your payment, it means unnecessary stress and, worse, potential shutoffs. All right, moving on to Section 2, Kentucky, water and sewer. Let's take a look at their dual system setup. For our viewers in Lexington, Kentucky, you actually have a dual system to navigate. Basically, you need two separate accounts. Your fresh, potable water is supplied and billed by Kentucky American Water, or KAW for short. On the flip side, LexServe, City Services, handles your sanitary sewer, water quality, and that standard $4.50 monthly landfill fee. To get your Kentucky American Water account set up, just grab a recent paper bill. You'll need to locate the 16-digit account number on it. Then hop online and navigate to the My Water portal at amwater.com/mywater. From there, you just register your account. Make sure to use a really strong, unique password and verify your email, and you're good to start managing your bills securely. Once you've got that sorted, head over to the LexServe portal at billpay.lexingtonky.gov. You'll enter your personal details, your active LexServe account number, and set up your security questions. Oh, and if they offer two-factor authentication, definitely enable it. It's like a digital deadbolt for your financial data. And here's a really cool little detail. LexServe actually calculates your sanitary sewer fee based directly on the water consumption data that KAW sends over to them. Next up, Section 3, Massachusetts, town billing portals. Let's head up to New England. So Lexington, Massachusetts operates quite differently. Everything here is totally unified under the town's Department of Public Works, specifically the Water and Sewer Division. They actually buy about 2 billion gallons of water every year from the Massachusetts Water Resources Authority. This means, unlike Kentucky, Massachusetts is a true one-stop shop for your utility billing. And here's a fun fact for you. If you want to estimate your bill in Massachusetts, the average residential bill is calculated by multiplying 15 units of water, where 1 unit equals 100 cubic feet, by the number of people living in your home. It's just a super handy little formula to keep your household budget on track. To get set up here, you'll want to navigate to the official Unipay Gold or Invoice Cloud portals. Find your accounts, and honestly, this is the best part about Massachusetts. You can use their payment cart feature. It's exactly like online shopping. You can bundle your water, sewer, and even your other local taxes into one single checkout. So convenient. Okay, let's jump to Section 4, Payment Methods and Fees. Let's talk about keeping your money in your wallet. This table breaks down your fees perfectly. Notice how ACH direct debit, paying straight from your bank account, is completely free on Kentucky American Water's My Water portal, and it's only 50 cents per transaction for Unipay in Massachusetts. Credit cards, on the other hand, will cost you a flat $1.95 for KAW. For LexServe, they do take credit cards, but there's a $300 maximum limit per transaction. Setting up ACH autopay is a total game changer, for sure. It's a strategic move to keep your data secure and your costs way down. Plus, look at all these modern payment options. KAW now accepts mobile wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, Venmo, and PayPal. They even have a 24/7 drive-up kiosk at 2300 Richmond Road. Just a quick heads up, though, that kiosk will not hand you back change for cash. Any extra money you put in just becomes a credit for your next bill. Oh, and if you're ever in a real rush, they have a guest pay option at amwater.com/billpay as long as you've got your account number handy. Now for Section 5, avoiding common billing issues. Let's make sure that water keeps flowing without a hitch. If you're in Kentucky and you get a 10-day shutoff notice from LexServe, listen closely. Doing a web extension or an online installment plan will not save you. Once that notice is issued, it will not stop a disconnection. You literally have to pay in full immediately, or pick up the phone and call their support line directly at 1-888-987-8111. Do not rely on the automated online stuff if you're already at the 10-day warning stage. And really, regardless of which Lexington you live in, stick to the official town portals. Using unauthorized third-party payment aggregators or falling for phishing scams that mimic the official sites can cause massive delays. Always go straight to the verified municipal source. It ensures your payment posts on time and keeps you safe from municipal late penalties. Finally, we've reached Section 6, Conclusion and Official Resources. Here is exactly where you need to go based on your state. For Kentucky KAW, you want amwater.com/mywater. For Kentucky LexServe, head over to billpay.lexingtonky.gov. And for Massachusetts, it's lexingtonma.gov/520/online-bill payment. Take a second to bookmark these links right now. Keep that 16-digit account number handy, and seriously, consider setting up ACH AutoPay. It's the ultimate budgeting hack. Because managing your water bill online is about way more than just convenience. It saves you time, it secures your financial data, and it completely eliminates the stress of missing a due date. To take total control, you can even pair these portals with your favorite budgeting app, or just set a recurring calendar reminder on your phone. Now, as a quick reminder from our sources, please note that this information is accurate as of the date of this explainer's publication. For the latest updates and details specific to your account or situation, please refer to the official Lexington Water Department resources or consult directly with customer service. So, have you figured out your correct Lexington portal to start saving on payment fees today? Get your account number, check your state, and take charge right now. It really makes you wonder. If optimizing just one single water bill can save you this much time and money, what other local utility hacks are you missing out on? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and happy organizing.